How to get a cash advance with Bank of America. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To get yourself a cash advance with Bank of America, firstly you can use your ATM card. You need to locate a Bank of America ATM, insert your card and enter your PIN. Select the cash advance option. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. The ATM will dispense the cash accordingly. You can visit a nearby bank branch of Bank of America. You can head over and speak to a teller requesting a cash advance. Provide your identification and account information. The teller will process your request and provide you with the cash. Always consider our cash advance fees and always consult with the teller regarding it as well. Also know about your credit limit to determine the maximum amount you can withdraw. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.